Hey, do you know there's a secret way to making your PC start up faster and also run smoother when you start it off? Well, if you didn't know, in this video I want to show you how to start up your PC faster. Come, let me show you. So first things first, you go to your control panel. If you can't get it, just hit a Windows key and type in control to bring up the control panel for you. Once that is open, go to systems and security. Alright, so once you get here, on your left side of the screen you see some options over there. Click on what the power buttons do. Once you click on that, it shows the various options over there in terms of how your PC shuts down and all that when you close the lid and all that. But our main focus is on turn on fast startup, and it's a recommended option in Windows 10 and above. If you don't have it turned on or is grayed out, go to Divine Power Options at the top of your screen and click on Change Settings that are not available. It turns on that option for you and you can easily click that. Once you're done, you click Save Changes and voila! Just by doing these changes, I can guarantee you that the next time you start up your PC, it's going to run more smoother. So just sometimes also there are apps that usually run in the background without you knowing, which slows down your PC time and your PC performances as well. So if you've not watched my video on the Windows PC Manager, there's a video link up here. Do want to click on it to go watch that video as well, where I explain the PC Manager and the advantage of it as well. It has various tools in there to help you speed up your PC performance and startup performances as well. So if you've not watched that video, there's a video link up here. Do want to click on it to go and watch that video. So that's it for this video. If you are new here, do hit the subscribe button and follow us. We've got amazing content to share with you. See you in the next one. Cheers.